Hello friends, in last video we had new exam categories, but now in this video I am going to show you how we can add and edit questions inside our this exam category. So first of all we need to create one new page. So in admin side right click new PHP file. I am going to add new file, add edit exam questions.php. Yeah, and I'm going to copy this all things from demo and I'm going to paste here. Yeah, now we need to add in menu also. So I'm going to open this header and I'm going to add menu. Add and edit questions. Here I'm going to make E capital. Yeah, now yeah, so I select this page name here for link. Now I'm going to refresh here. So I got here menu. When I click on this, it looks empty. It's okay. So now I'm going to open that page. First of all, we are going to change heading here. I'm going to give heading select exam categories for add and edit questions. So here we are going to give list of all our exam categories. Then user will click on select, and then after we are going to give option to add questions on that selected categories. Okay, now here I am going to give 12 because you can see this looks in two line. So now it looks in one line. Okay, so now here in card body, first of all I will include connection file. Then we are going to open this exam category and we are going to select this table tag. So I'm going to select this table, copy, and I'm going to paste here. Yeah, so here we got this, but now here we don't need to do edit and delete, only we need to give operation here to select. So here I'm going to change heading select, and I'm going to write here select, and we are going to create one new page. But first of all I'm going to attach here add underscore edit underscore questions.php, and we are going to forward id on that. So I am going to select this and I am going to create new page, and from demo I am going to copy this code and I am going to paste here. Okay, so now here I am going to select this, so this page will open, and now from here we are going to add questions on this selected exam. So now when I select this, we need to add option to give here questions. So before that we need to create one table. So I am going to create new table, name questions, and I am going to take around 9 fields. So I am going to take 9. Here id, that is integer 5. Here we need to take primary key. So I am going to take primary key and auto increment. Then question number, that I am going to take varchar 5. Then question, that I am going to take varchar 500. this is the option 1 where here 100, option 2 where here 100, option 3 where here 100, option 4 where here 100. Then I am going to take answer where here 100, and the last one is category. This is one kind of exam category where here 100. Now save. So you can see our table is created, but now we need to take this much fields, this much text box here. So first of all, I'm going to change this heading in this page. Add question. And now we need to get first, you can see here we are getting this ID, but according to ID we need to get exam category from this table. We got ID 1, you can see, but we need category name because we are going to save this category inside our new table. So first of all, I am going to select here. So I need to include connection.php, then $res is equal to mysqli underscore query $link, then select star from exam underscore category where id is equal to $id, then while $row is equal to mysqli fetch array here $res, and now I am going to declare variable dollar exam category. So dollar exam category is equal to $row category category. Yeah, so we got this. Now here I am going to print that add question inside echo dollar exam category. So it will looks like this. Line number 5. Oh yeah, $id is equal to $_get id. Yeah, so now you can see we got like this, add questions inside PHP. This PHP is our exam category name. So here I can write like this. Yeah, so now here you can see this our exam category font color will red now. Okay, so now here we need to take few text boxes. So for that I am going to select this table from here, copy, here I am going to paste, now here we are going to change heading. So first of all here add new questions, and we are going to increase the width, so 8. Yeah, and now we are going to change here heading also. So here I am going to change our heading name. Question. Here I am going to change question. Now here add question, and I am going to delete this value. Yeah. So yeah, why question category? Add question. Yeah, so we got here add question. Now I'm going to copy this. In place of I'm going to replace. Here I'm going to write add option 1 name opt1 add opt1. Yeah, so add option 1. So I'm going to copy this, paste, add opt2 opt2 opt2. Now again copy, add option 3 opt3 opt3. Now this is the last option, option 4. Yeah, and now last one, and that is the answer. So copy, and I'm going to paste, add answer, name answer, add answer. Here I'm going to change add question. Yeah, so now we need to perform insert query. So for that I'm going to write here insert query. If is set $_post submit 1. But before that I need to check we use form tag or not. Yeah, so right now we don't have form tag, so I'm going to write here form name form1, then action, and then method. Yeah, I need to complete form tag here. Okay, now I am going to just write here echo test. We are going to check our button is working proper or not. Yeah, test, it means our button is working proper. Now you can see one most important part, and that is you can see we take one field question number. So now if you add question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, like number question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, and question number 4, after few interval you delete question number 3. So your sequence should be question number 1, question number 2, and question number 4, because question number 3 is missing. So when you are going to add new question, we need to check if any missing or not. If missing, then we need to update our question sequence. So for that, first of all we need to write code for it. So I am going to write code now. First of all I will take one variable $loop, and that is 0. This is for looping. And now $count is equal to 0. Now $res is equal to mysqli underscore query $lint, and here I am going to write select star from questions where category is equal to $exam category, order by id ascending, and here I am going to write or die mysqli underscore error $link. Now just I will confirm with our table name is questions, so yeah, questions, and categori, and our declare variable is exam category. Yeah, so that is perfect. Now we need to move your while loop, so I'm going to take your while okay. Before let me count, then we will use while. So $count is equal to mysqli underscore number of rows and $res. If $count is equal to 0, it means there is no added record inside here. If no added record, then no worry about it. But if record is available, then while $row is equal to mysqli underscore fetch underscore array $res loop is equal to $loop plus 1, then mysqli underscore query $link update questions set question number is equal to $loop where id is equal to $row id. So it will upgrade our question number. Then we are going to add our question, so mysqli underscore query $link insert into questions values, first parameter is null, then we need to pass question number, so here I am going to write $loop as a question number, then $underscore post question, then $underscore post opt1 $underscore post opt2 $underscore post opt3 $underscore post opt4 and $underscore post answer, and then after we need to pass here $exam category here or die mysqli underscore error $link. Yeah, so now we are going to check first we are getting record inside table or not. Here option 1 6 7 8 5 and correct answer is 8, so I'm going to write here answer 8, add question. Here I'm going to check. Yeah, we got this. Now I'm going to add one more question. 2 plus 2 is equal to 1 2 3 4 and correct answer is 4 and add question. So you can see we got proper question number also here, and we got our answer, options and category also. So after inserting this record, we are going to refresh our page. So for refreshing, here I am going to write script type text JavaScript alert, question added successfully, and window.location.href is equal to window.location.href. Now 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 2 3 4. Correct answer is 2, and add question. Yeah, so now you can see we add option as a normal string option, but now here in next video I'm going to show you we need to add here option with image also, because if you want to display image as a option, then I will show you how you can do that. And then after we are going to display these added questions below this form, so you can see how many questions are added in this exam, and then after we are going to edit and delete that questions. So in next video I'm going to show you how you can add this option with image. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, then please like it and share it. Thank you so much again.